Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google NotebookLM for an efficient literature review. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser. Search for NotebookLM and click on the official website from the results. Once you're on the site, click on the option that says Try NotebookLM to access the platform. After entering, select Create New to start a fresh literature review project. This will open your workspace where you can begin organizing your research materials. Next, click on Upload Sources and add your files such as PDFs, Word documents, or references. Make sure your sources are ready to keep the process smooth and efficient. Now, use the AI by entering prompts like summarizing methodologies or comparing study results. Click Submit to generate insights, summaries, and structured outputs instantly. So that's basically how you can use Google Notebook LM for an efficient literature review. That's it for this video. Thanks.